Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. It has been a minute since I have sat down and filmed anything. I've had a backlog of videos for about 2 weeks, and I'm thankful that I did because I have not been feeling the greatest. But it also feels very awkward sitting down in front of the camera after not having done it for almost 2 weeks. Today I have for you an unboxing. Today I have the Walking Dead supply drop box. Now, I am unboxing this for you guys. I don't know if this is late, on time, early. I've actually been sitting on it for about 4 days or so. I just haven't felt well enough to get up and record anything. It's been really strange, but my energy has pretty much gone to conserving my energy for date nights and then going out on date nights. Most of the time having a super laid back date night and then coming home. God, this weather has just been so crazy, and it looks like it's gonna rain again today, but I did need to get up off of my butt and record because I have videos that I need to record. I just haven't felt like it, and I haven't really had to, so I've just kind of been procrastinating, which is something I typically don't do in my life. But with that being said, don't forget, I do have a giveaway going on. If you guys could so kindly help me get to the 1K point to where I could give away all this makeup and lifestyle stuff that's just kind of hanging out over here, I would really appreciate it. We're not that far off. Just, again, I appreciate you all. I appreciate you guys sticking with me, and let's get in to this box. So I don't know how much it costs. Per my usual, I'll put it on the screen. So let's go ahead and dig on in. Ouch. So I open it up, and this is what I see. And there is a card on top that is showing me everything that is in here, but it does not give prices because everything that comes in this box is exclusive to this box. So I will just start pulling things out. The first thing I am seeing is Dixon Bros Moonshine. Oh, it's a mason jar. I was really hoping it would actually be moonshine, but it's not. Oh, that's really neat. And it's a real mason jar glass that says Dixon Brothers Moonshine on it. So that's really nice. I remember drinking out of cups like these as a kid. So that's really cool. Let's see. The next thing I am pulling out is the Carnage Edition. 1973, remember, Chieftain. And it is Dale's camper. I think it was Dale. Was it Dale? I'm pretty sure it was Dale. It was Dale's camper, and it says accessories included. So let's open this up. Oh, I keep tearing the box. Dale and his trusted RV paved the way for the survivors all the way back in season 1 and 2. This 1:43, I don't know what that means, scale die-cast replica Carnage Edition comes complete with Dale's chairs and umbrella and modified with the dirt, grime, and guts you would expect after a long day's travel. I can't believe I just tore the box. So here is the RV, and you can see that it has blood and gut splatter all over it. And then, all right, so it's giving me a hard time, but here are the chairs. And then this little umbrella is supposed to go on the top there, but I cannot get it to go in the little slot. So that is super cute. I like that. My husband will have to fix that. I don't know. It might just need like, it looks like the hole might need like just cut out a little bit with a knife. But that's really cute. Can't believe I tore the dang box. Okay. The next thing I am pulling out are Dale's Cocktails umbrella. So that's cute. It's really cute for this summertime if we want to stick some little umbrellas and some drinks. Go in the little mason jar. Oh, this is heavy. What is this? Then this is the next thing I am pulling out. The AMC Walking Dead supply drop. Let's see, what is in here? Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's an Alpha Belt Buckle bottle opener. That is cool. And that is hefty duty. Like that is real metal, iron, whatever you want to call that. That is super cool. Let's see. And it says when your dehydration is at stake, shh, is the refreshing sound you hear when you pop open your next frosty beverage with your official Alpha Belt Buckle inspired bottle opener. So that's kind of cool. And it does come with a case if you'd like to keep the case. So that's really neat. Although I think I'm putting that in backwards. There we go. And the next thing I am pulling out is, it's an officially licensed Walking Dead apron. And it looks like this, or at least this is what the box looks like, but it actually is like a cooking apron. So, oh, and that's really well made too, you guys. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels like a real apron. But that's pretty cool. So it looks like that. And it has the tie, so it ties around the back and then it loops around your neck. So that's pretty cool. And then the last thing I am pulling, oh, sweet. So the last thing I am pulling out here is the AMC Walking Dead, the official cookbook and survival guide. That is awesome. Prepare a feast for your fellow survivors. And it shows Carol and her cookies. And it shows Carl handing Michonne a candy bar. And then it has, let me dig into this. This is a real cookbook. That's going to be so awesome. If you guys didn't know, I actually collect hardcover cookbooks. Well, softcover too. My main point is I don't care to look on the internet for recipes, so I actually collect cookbooks. Oh my God. It is an actual cookbook with the recipes. Let me thumb through this. Foundational fried Spam, Morgan's peanut butter protein bars, the art of peaceful breakfast patties, the governor's welcome scramble. Oh, this is so cool. John's gonna really like this too. Homestead home fries, and it has pictures of their journey. Like here has the picture of the prison and them hanging out in the prison. So that is really super cool. Huh. I like it. All right, you guys, I think this is a good box. I don't remember how many we've gotten. It's like I said, it's a seasonal box. I don't know if this is the second or the third box we've received. I can't keep track, but that is really cool. I am happy for this box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day. Bye.